មើលនេះបងប្អូនខ្ពស់មែនតើចាសួស្តីបងប្អូននេះមកដល់ហើយចាឥឡូវពួកខ្ញុំចង់មកនេះភ្នំនេះគេហៅថា Mount Diablo Mountain អញ្ចឹងឥឡូវពួកខ្ញុំមកដល់កន្លែងនេះឥឡូវខ្ញុំចង់ឡើងទៅដល់កំពូលលើប៉ុន្តែបើកឡើងអត់បានក៏ទៅដើរទៅបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងអូខេតោះទៅជួបគ្នានៅលើកំពូលភ្នំហើយមើលទេសភាពទៅខាងក្រោមទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេចាDistancing. Okay. Cut down and bang, super hot. Guys, let's come walk on to the top of Mount Diablo together. Actually, we drove here, but we not be able to drive up all the way to the top of the mountain. So right now we have to walk up there. It's just a little bit more to go. Alright guys, let's come and check out the view from the top of Mount Diablo together. And if you have seen my previous video, yeah, we went on hiking and we show you guys the view of this Mount Diablo from far away. And today we coming here. So this Mount Diablo mountain is located in, where is this, baby?
Danville?
In Danville, yeah.
Near Walnut Creek?
Yeah, like kind of close to Walnut Creek. It's a great hiking spot, guys. If you like hiking, you would love to hike.
And if you like being really hot.
Yes, if you like super hot weather, also it's a great spot for you too. Also, if you like something like this, look at that. Wow. It's super hot, super exhausted, guys, but it's worth it, guys. Trust me, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm sorry, guys. It's getting so hot, and as I'm trying to cut my breath right now. Oh. Did I see something? Wow. Very beautiful. Okay, it's just a little bit more, guys. We're gonna be all the way to the top. You guys might saying, what is dress, wearing dress for hiking? Actually no, I did not plan to hike today. So we plan to drive all the way to Lake Berryessa, but we kind of late, so we decided to just stay here. Okay, and here you go, guys. Look at this. This is the height of this Mount Diablo. Look at this. 3,849 feet tall. That's crazy. Alright, let's check out the view behind together. Wow, look at that, guys. 3,849 feet tall. You can see pretty much everything from here. Crazy tall, right? Okay, let's see what else we can get from here. There it is. It looks like, yep, this is the top. Oh, crazy amazing, guys. Look at that. Oh, now I know where it is. Guys, if you look all the way there, you guys remember the windshield right there? It was right behind Delta River. Yeah, in our previous video, if you can see, that is, yeah. So all the way there, you're gonna go and then go all the way to Lake Pier, not Lake Pier, Delta River, where we park our boat. It's just right over there. So here you go. Enjoy the view, guys. Look at that.
I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go.
Wow, guys, look at this.
Go back down.
Okay, we'll go back down.
This is crazy beautiful.
Hold on to that.
Let's just go one round together.
That's Benicia Bridge. That's not Are you sure that one right there? No, that's the Benicia Bridge. And then Martinez is hidden behind over that hill.
What is I? What is that there?
It's a mine.
The mine?
Yeah, some sort of like iron ore mine or something.
Oh.
Maybe just dirt. We're just digging it out there.
No.
Before we go back, what is that area? Creek or something?
No, that's Walnut Creek. And then over this hill, where's that town called? It's another little town. It's a suburb. But
Pretty big though.
yeah, it's actually really cheap to buy houses there
Really?
because there's not much there.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's a little downtown, but there's no jobs there.
Mm-hmm.
Like all the jobs are in Walnut Creek or they're in the city.
Yeah.
So it's actually really cheap to buy houses.
Cool. So pretty though. Just a little bit too hot. I think it's gonna be so hot.
Yeah.
Normally here.
It's really warm.
Like. Alright, guys. I think this is pretty much it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's really nice, but yeah, nothing else. Yeah, to show. This is all we can see and all we can share with you guys. Alright, guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, if you like, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in a little bit. Right, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. For more traveling video, make sure to like, subscribe, press on the bell button,
and I will see you. Bye bye.